Nakabenta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baru kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Kamang tingka jengke yung darbar thau an ke jylla kabla long min haka arfulai trik ulber ar hajar arfulai ke yung kelawan ra ke jingya tai na ke benta ke jinglut jingsem man pendon kam na ke benta usnem ar hajar arfulai hadu usnem ar hajar arpsau. Ya kabalawan ra do menteri ketenat platingka ke jylla ukon rat ke sangma ubadairu menteri rangba ke jylla. Ya gatai kamang tingka menteri rangba u yathu haying darbar thau an bat pen sngo yi ki nong snong ki badon lai phra langun. Ukon rat ki sangma u yathu bakaying barok kawi ka pedang banyata ye kamang tingka ka basya jar sanspa khandai pu arklur ka balong na ka benta jung usnem arhajar arpulai bat usnem arhajar arpsau ha ka ba kumbalai point sa pu arpersen karina ka cross state domestic product lani ka GSDP. Habawan ra yaki rukom pentre yaki kam bapher kaban long arsha eka gross state domestic product kaban pinmi hadu prapo hajar klur tingka house name ar hajar arpnyo ar hajar arpupra bar ke jylla Meghalaya kan priang ya ka $10 billion. Menteri rangba hagate kamang tingka kabulawan ra ulapan pauru baka sorkar kanyale bantau kilat kilenti na gabenta ban penyo hadu sanlat ki kam bapher da kaba on kham pelet jingmut haka kam rep kam riang ka jingnang jingtip ka sengkam sengjam bat ki kam jingok kai perthei. Shu ulapan pauru baka cross state domestic product jong ka jylla lapan mangsa huwei point knyo spa nyo phokndai klur tingka hagani kasnem mat naga benta kasnem kabanwan pat eka GSDP lakmi lenti ban kentiu shu shaka sa hundriu point hundriu spa klur tingka kabala long ka jingkentiu ka bahadu khatwei point san persen. Ula benrap ru da ka bapentip baga jingmi lane ka yok ka kot jong ka jylla kala nang kiu bat sngo yok mensiem banang ya chakman ban pendep yaki kam ki babun ba ka bala penhyar ya ka yok ka kot ha ka jingwan jong ka klam ka jingkiu ka yok ka kot house nem arhajar khat pra hadu arhajar arpulai ka long hundriu point nyoksan persen. Menteri rangba ulo ongru baka umroi airport hadu mentah kalala ban penyat yaki lingsun shaki khandai teli ki nongba ki bakenthum ya ka Golgata bat ka Delhi. Wala ka taru ulo ong baka jingpentrei kam ya ka te ka kat lingsun kadang yat bat ka Airport Authority of India bar ki weipat ban nangla shu ban penhe ya ka te ka kat lingsun.
Honorable Speaker, sir, with your permission, I rise to present the budget for the financial year 2023-24. So today is an occasion of immense pride and satisfaction as I stand before you to present the annual budget for 2023-24. The 38 lakh people of our beautiful state has reposed their faith in this government by giving a stronger mandate. I would like to humbly acknowledge and express my gratitude to the people for entrusting us with the greatest of responsibilities. This is indeed a testimony to the efforts made by the government and the positive changes brought about in the lives of Meghalayans over the past 5 years. Sir, I would like to begin by highlighting our key achievements from 2018 to 2023. Despite losing almost 2 years to the COVID pandemic. The government expenditure more than doubled from 9,528 crores during 2017-18 to 20,729 crores in 2022-23. This demonstrates improved governance and implementation capability. It also reflects the confidence of the Union government and other institutions in the capabilities of this government. The cumulative funding from externally aided projects increased from 2,300 crores to over 10,600 crores from 2018 to 2023. As of today, we are implementing several projects in collaboration with agencies like the World Bank, the Asian Development Bank, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, the New Development Bank, and the International Fund for Agriculture Development. This again is an affirmation towards our commitment and execution capabilities from global institutions. It must also be noted that 90% of these loans are repaid by the Union Government on behalf of the state government. Several mission mode interventions have been successfully implemented in the sectors of horticulture, livestock and fisheries. These interventions have improved the income of over 1 lakh farmers and put us on track for doubling farmers' incomes. Meghalaya has also been among the leading performers in implementation of various centrally sponsored schemes. Programs like MGNREGS, PMGSY and Jal Jeevan Mission are being implemented at an accelerated rate and have brought remarkable changes in the rural areas. We have made noticeable progress in health indices over the last few years. The immunization rate have increased from 57% to 91%, and institutional deliveries have increased from 46% to 64%. We have given a never-before thrust to youth engagement, development of sports, building an entrepreneurial ecosystem, and skill development. We made a strong beginning towards resolving the 5-decade-long border dispute with Assam and achieved substantial progress. Our strongest contribution over the last 5 years have been the development of collaborative model of governance based on working together with traditional institutions, women's groups, farmers' cooperatives, and youth organizations to create a strong Team Meghalaya. Sir, I will now outline the core development vision of MDA-2 government, which we will prioritize over the next 5 years.